Good morning, this is Patty Frucci with My Florida Dreams, and I have a new listing to show you at 8127 Lakeview Drive North. This is a very large model which has split bedroom floor plans, so let's see what you think. Right now we are in a full-size living room. This home has a great vintage feel, and with a little updates, you can make it whatever you want it to be. It is a turnkey property. Nice vaulted ceilings throughout. Has a large carport. This is the guest room at the front of the home, which is a nice size bedroom. To your left coming out is the guest bath that has been updated. Nice laminate flooring, which is vinyl plank, and updated vanity. We're going back into the family room and with open kitchen and dining room. This has a lot of square footage for the price. This is an excellent price. With a little TLC, you'd have a great investment here. Again, this is vaulted throughout the entire home. Nice updated kitchen cabinets. Little butler pantry to the side. Then going out to the lanai, where the laundry's at, has extra storage space here in the home. This laundry room is huge, and it also has a enclosed workshop off of it. So you have a he shed and a she shed. To our right here, another shot of the living room. This is the master bedroom and bath. It's at the back of the property, very large, nice wicker furniture, nice bedroom suite. Has a walk-in closet. Vanity in the bathroom has been updated. It has a walk-in shower. So what'd you think? This house is going to go quick, so give me a call, 317-709-4282. Thanks. Bye-bye.